Attention developers and homeowners looking to build or already have beautiful properties in warm climates. Several issues arise with glass windows. We have the perfect solution for you. Introducing UV window film, your key to energy efficiency and guest comfort. We work with the best. SunSibility's network of Lumar specialists ensures quality and service. Our fitters are experts, delivering superior installations every time. Benefits of UV window film: heat rejection, stay cool with up to 99% UV ray reduction, lower AC costs, reduce energy bills and maintenance, glare reduction, enjoy comfort with reduced glare, UV protection, shield your property from fading and the effects of UV rays. Privacy and security, enhance privacy and deter break-ins. Choose from our wide selection of films. Contact us today for an online meeting.